Like many of the Cascade Platinum floor plans, Cruise floor plan features both double bow benches and an aft corner seating area. And yes, all furniture is Matrix 50 ultra-fine vinyl. But what makes the Cruise floor plan so special are the 2 rear sundecks that can be used to house the privacy station, more storage, or both. Of course, there's more to the Cruise than just a privacy station. This Cascade Platinum comes with an awesome sound system featuring matched Fusion components and 6 powerful Fusion speakers. With Cascade Platinum Cruise, you'll be, like the song says, cruising on a Sunday afternoon, each and every day of the year. Cascade Platinum highlight features include a Gold Plus stereo system featuring high-power Fusion stereo, 6 speakers, and subwoofer. A built-in color fish finder, depth sounder, and chart plotter. A GPS speedometer. Ultrafine touch 5000 series seating. 2-tone external smooth heavy-duty wall panels. Premium lighted deco built-in dock lights. And Pontoon side protector keels.